On this episode, we're finally going to figure out which caulk remover product is the best. Let's go. Welcome to Fix This House. If you're new to the channel, consider pressing the subscribe and notification bell so you can always be in tune on DIYs, how-to videos, and product reviews that I do within this channel. We're going to be reviewing each one of these caulk remover products. There are plenty in the market. These are just the ones that I eventually ended up getting. We're going to be testing out on silicone caulking. So this is why we are inside my bathroom, and we're going to be removing the caulking around my bathtub shower pan. When it comes to caulking, there are two types. There's silicone and latex. Silicone is mostly used on harsh environments. That's why it's mostly used on kitchens and bathrooms, and it's also the hardest one to get out. So friends, be sure to stay tuned at the very end of this video so you can find out which one of these 6 products will be number 1 in removing caulking. This caulking has been on for a couple of months now, and it's starting to discolor. So this is the perfect time for me to test these products on which one will remove it the fastest and the best. I'm going to be going over each one of the solvents and let you know what's the price, how much is in the bottle, and the wait times. So here are all the products divided into their own section. Each one I divided with just a line of masking tape. Out of all the 6 products, the one that I'll be applying first is this Caulk Gone by DAP. The reason for that is because this is the one that takes the longest to settle. This is the smallest out of all of them. It's the 5.5 ounce on a toothpaste tube like what you see here. And it's the cheapest out of all of them. It's around $9.47 a tube. And it's the longest wait time out of all of them. It's around 2 hours minimum wait, up to 6 hours, but no longer than 6 hours. Apply it, the same amount of caulking that's there. Cut off the tip. It's very smart to wear nitrile gloves whenever you're working with any type of chemicals just to protect yourself. I applied a very generous amount. This is silicone caulk, and this one is made for latex caulk. A lot different. So we're gonna go test out if it still works anyways. Now there are many tools that you can use to take out caulking. I like to use a combination of these 3. This is specifically made for removing and installing caulk. You can use a putty knife just like this one, or you can use one of these 2. Take off all this excess stuff. Wow, I'm impressed by how well this thing just pretty much it's coming off really easy. The big chunks anyways. I'm gonna go and take this out, and it just removed with ease. I don't even think we have to reapply it the second time because this first time it's already done. But wow, I'm very impressed on this Caulk Gone. Let's go with Desolve It. This comes in a 12-ounce spray bottle, and it is $14.25. and it is 20 to 30 seconds wait time, or you can go over, and if that doesn't work, you will have to reapply. So let's spray it. 20 seconds, that's actually the time that we could actually start working on it. Not as confident on this one, so I'm gonna be using this caulking remover. So I gotta give it up to you guys. If you really want a nice caulk remover, use this tool right here. I'll leave the link on the description down below if you want yourself one of these. It looks like it's not coming off that well on the tile, but again, from the instructions of De-Solve It, it says reapply as needed. So I'm gonna spray it one more time here. You can just wipe it off right here. If you're not willing to wait 2 to 3 hours to get this caulk gone, maybe you're in a rush, this might be your best bet. So the crud cutter comes in a 24-ounce bottle at a price of $10.47, and it's a 5 to 20 minute wait time or longer, and you will have to reapply if the first round doesn't work. Kind of looks like cooking oil. So let's start the clock. I'm not gonna wait 5 minutes. I'll just let it run to the full 20 minutes, and then we'll go back to that. All right, friends, so we are at 25 minutes. I know I took a little lunch break and I went a little bit over, but it's fine. It's coming off pretty well. It's definitely hard to take out the stuff on the tile. I have to resort with the utility knife for the tile. Sorry to interrupt you right quick, but if you're enjoying this video so far, please hit that like button down below. It'll greatly help out the channel. Thank you so much. And don't forget, friends, I'm giving away 2 $50 gift cards every single week to 2 lucky winners. It's very easy to enter. All you gotta do is be a subscriber, like and comment on any video that I post within this week, and I'll be posting the winners on my community tab on my YouTube channel every single Sunday. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Thanks so much, friends. Let's get back to the video. Again, using a utility knife doesn't guarantee a quick removal as well, because as you can see, there are still residue from the caulk still stuck. Let's respray the crud cutter, and we can wait another 25 minutes. Next one up is lift off. This comes in a 16-ounce spray bottle, priced at $10.95, and it's 3 to 5 minute wait, but no longer than 5 minutes. And again, you can reapply if the first one doesn't finish. So this one is a little bit oily base as well. It's almost 5 minutes. I'd say, again, it says don't wait till over 5 minutes. So let's start removing. So this caulk remover is really good when it comes to silicone or latex that is attached to your shower pan. But tile, it's doable. It might take a little bit more elbow grease to take out, just like the De-Solve It. But again, it says in the instruction you can always reapply. So I'm going to give it one more go. Wait 5 minutes. Good thing it's only 5 minutes. This is my last resort tool because it gets the ones on the tile a lot better. And we do still have a little bit of residue left. So next one up, this got to be the most expensive out of all of them. It's the Goo Gone. It comes in a 24-ounce spray bottle, and it comes at a whopping $29.99, close to $30 in price. And the wait time for this is 5 to 10 minutes, and you can reapply if the first one doesn't finish. This one is just a mist. From the shower pan, it's still leaving a little bit. Some areas of the tile is coming out easier than the other parts of the tile. Let's start scraping off the stuff off the tile. And I think I'm gonna spray it one more time with this and just wait another 25 minutes. Since we agitated it, we'll apply it once again and we'll wait another 25 minutes. While we're waiting for the crud cutter second round and the Goo Gone second round, we're gonna go move on to the clean strip. Next one up is the clean strip. This comes in a 16-ounce bottle with a price of $10.47, and it's a wait time of 5 to 20 minutes, and you can reapply if the first one doesn't finish. It doesn't come in a spray. It's kind of like the Caulk Be Gone. I think using this tool might be a lot faster. Even with the utility knife, this is probably the worst one out of all of them so far. For a caulk remover, you shouldn't be able to do this much work. Once again, we're on the second round with the crud cutter. I mean, for me to spend this much time to remove caulking on the tile, might as well just stuck with soap and water. It'll probably give me the same effect. I take it back, crud cutter will probably be the one that doesn't work the best out of all of them. It's not the way to go for me. So this is our second round of the Goo Gone. I sprayed it already. We're waited over 20 minutes already now. So Goo Gone might just be right there with the crud cutter. I mean, it works, but it won't be the best. It's been 20 minutes. I reapplied the second coat of the clean strip. Okay, still having a little bit of hard time getting the remainder caulk out. For the remainder of the clean strip, the Goo Gone, and the crud cutter, I'm just gonna go and use my Caulk Be Gone by DAP. So me personally, I'm gonna be rating all this from 1 to 6, 1 being the best, 6 being the worst. And we already know the clear winner for today's challenge is gonna be the Caulk Be Gone by DAP. Second place coming up would be the Desolve It. Third place is the Goo Gone. Fourth place will be the lift off. Fifth place would be the clean strip. And last but not least, the worst one I think from this test is gonna be the crud cutter. So let me know in the comment section down below, friends, if you agree with my testing and if you agree with my ratings. Let me know if you have different experiences with these types of products. But for me, from what I just did, this one came to be the best, and I rated them accordingly to what my experience is. Again, my experience and your experience might be different, so let me know. But I'm very, very sure, friends, that this will be my #1 when it comes to removing caulk. Once again, friends, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found this video helpful, please hit that big thumbs up, press the subscribe notification bell, and I'll see you friends on the next video.